Hello, good evening, my pretty and lovely ladies. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful Kanjivarams. Let's start with the mannequins. Now back to our collection. Do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Do subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you'll be getting notified. And the sari which I'm wearing is beautiful pink and blue combination. Peach pink. All over leaf jal, beautiful contrast border with cross curdy and circles, very pretty. And this is the beautiful pallu. Yeah, this is the pallu, cross checks with leaves, and this is the blouse. Contrast and self weave vachindi with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 21,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ268. And you can team up with such kind of blouses, customized blouses. And for customized blouses, lehengas, dupattas, contact our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. Next sari. Yeah. Grey and Rama green. Beautiful leaf buttas, contrast border with cross curdy and peacocks and florals. Contrast pallu with stripes, beautiful leaf and floral border. Contrast pallu. Blouse contrast plain. Sari pricing and details. It's 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AI654. Next sari. Beautiful yellow kanchipattu sari with peach combination. All over green and orange shredded ikat florals, beautiful peacocks and rudraksh buttas, lovely border, kanchipattu border with blocks and florals, cross curdy in the middle with silver zari, contrast pallu and contrast blouse, beautiful cross checks with florals. Blouse contrast plain pink color with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 10,260. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ500. Next saree. Lovely grey, all over green thread weave with cross checks, diamonds and florals. Complete thread kaddi weave andi. Beautiful grey color border, cross kaddi, cross checks and dotted buttas. Pallu and the geometric brocade, pentagon brocade, contrast pallu, and the blouse contrast plain with border. Actually this is the base color వచ్చేసి గ్రే అండి. కంప్లీట్ సారీ అంతా ఆల్ ఓవర్ థ్రెడ్ వీవ్ అందండి. ఇదంతా థ్రెడ్ వీవ్ అండి. మనకి ఆల్ ఓవర్ పైన అంతా వచ్చిందంతా ఆ ఫ్లాస్ కానీ క్రాస్ చెక్స్ కానీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ థ్రెడ్ వీవ్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. $7,120. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ508. Next saree. Grey and black. Beautiful saree. Idantha grey and the thread weave with the lines and diamonds with black thread. And this is the border contrast with shredded silver zari lines. And this is the pallu, wavy brocade, contrast pallu, contrast border, blouse contrast, plain with border. Very pretty combination. Saree pricing and details. 7,120. Take a screenshot along with the code AG850. Next saree. Very pretty green and grey, mint green with pink color, peachish pink color. All over self thread weave and beautiful silver zari buttas. Contrast border with floral jal, horses, yalis. Pallu contrast with cross checks and leaf buttas along with the floral border. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 7,840. Take a screenshot along with the code AF622. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. For more exciting offers, just log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Next saree. Yeah, it's a beautiful Rama green. All over self weaves as well as zari, peacocks with radham, gold and silver buttas, beautiful elephant and peacock border. Pallu is contrast grey color with rich kaddi, cross kaddi, huge leaf buttas, paisleys. Blouse. This is the blouse, contrast plain with border, and this is half and half saree andi. This is from shoulder and front side you'll be getting for frill. Ila pleats kostundi. ఇలా కుచ్చిళ్ళుకి వస్తుంది అనమాట సారీ కుచ్చిళ్ళు. And this is from shoulder. And the blouse is contrast grey again, this color. Saree pricing and details. Very pretty andi, nice saree, different ga undi, unique ga undi, and chala reasonable price ko chestundi. So elago Varalakshmi Vratam vastundi kabatti ilanti sarees chala baguntayi, and the pricing is 5,920 only. Take a screenshot along with the code AG568. And Gadwal sarees paina, Venkatagiri sarees paina, a big offer is going on in our website, Andy. Just log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for everyday exciting offers. Next saree. Lovely peach, very stylish color, very beautiful pastel shade, very pretty peach. We got a gold and silver zari dotted lines all over the sari. It's a borderless sari, very classy. And this is the pallu, complete leaf brocade, leaf buttas vachai. And the blouse, self color, self plain. You can go for any other contrast color, Andy, like this color also. You can go for this such kind of designer blouses. See, even this is looking very pretty on it. And for customized blouses, contact our brand, R for Rupamani, and the brand from our brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. And the saree pricing and details, it's 11,199. Take a screenshot along with the code AF730. And do you know how to follow us on Instagram and Facebook? I mean, digital platforms. Just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Next saree. Pink and yellow and peach. Pink and yellow. It actually dual toned border andi. Yellow and miku peach, two shades vastunnai. All over ikat floral weave, and as well as beautiful zari peacock buttas, and lovely border with florals and diamonds. Contrast border. Pallu is contrast, complete of florals, peacocks, and tree booties, plant buttas. Blouse is contrast yellow color, plain with border. Saree pricing and details, it's 10,260. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ490. Next saree. Wow. Very pretty mint and lavender color. Checks with florals and blocks. Border is contrast with peacocks, florals, and stripes. Silver zari andi, contrast border, contrast pallu with cross lines and curvy buttas. Blouse, contrast to plain. Saree pricing and details, it's 9,519. Take a screenshot along with the code AI95. Next shade, beautiful olive green, lovely blocks, copper zari blocks actually, and we got florals in it, cross cutty and florals in it, and border cross cutty and floral vines. And this is the pallu, cross checks with jala buttas and florals, beautiful peacock and elephant border. Blouse self plain with border. Saree pricing and details, It's AF 645 is the code, 15,199 is the price. Next sari. Wow. Nice sari. Very pretty green, yellow and pink shaded. Shayo. Ikkad shredded buttas as well as zari buttas vachayandi. Adanta ikkad shredded design vachindi. Beautiful border with cross cutty and floral vines and stripes here. Contrast border. Pallu. Contrast with cross checks and diamonds. Beautiful peacocks. And the blouse. Contrast to plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 10,260. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ495. Design new variety of saris. Too pretty, very lovely. Next sari. Green and pink. Beautiful sari all over cross checks, beautiful florals and paisleys. Cross checks with florals and beautiful contrast border with diamond brocade and paisleys peacocks. Pallu contrast with cross checks, elephants in blocks. Blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 14,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AF978. Next beautiful sari. It's blue and grey. Okalanti olive combination, olive green and grey combination. And beautiful selfie with diamonds, leaves. Diamond shaped leaves, and this is the birds in contrast thread weave. Beautiful border, cross lines, stems, birds and piano stripes. Pallu contrast with stripes, paisleys and florals. And the blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 7,680. Take a screenshot along with the code AI98. Next sari. Green color, very pretty green shade all over floral jal. Beautiful border with peacocks. And in the middle we got floral jal to patu. We got elephants, peacocks, deers. Very lovely, Andy. Too good. And this is the pallu. Complete dark green pallu with floral jal. Floral brocade overlapping. And this is the blouse, contrast bottle green, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 19,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AI533. And do you know how to follow us on digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Just log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for everyday exciting offers. Very pretty peach and navy blue combination kanchipattu sari. All over contrast thread paslays and leaves. Contrast border with stripes. And this is the pallu, contrast with rich kadi and embossed floral buttas. Contrast pallu and contrast blouse plain with border. Sari pricing and details. At 7,120, take a screenshot along with the code S805. Next sari. Green and navy blue. Zari lines with jhumka buttas. Contrast border with florals. Pallu contrast with leaf buttas and border. Blouse contrast with zari lines and border. Sari pricing and details. 6,880. Take a screenshot along with the code AI641. Next sari. Lovely blue. All over diamonds, cross checks with diamonds and florals. Diamonds lo kuda manaki muggu design vachindandi, rangoli design laga. Border, cross kadi and floral vines. Single color, self color, and this is the pallu. Cross floral vines with beautiful round buttas with curves. Blouse self plain. Ila vachinappudu you can go for any other contrast color. You can team up like this also. And for customized blouses, contact our brand. R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. 17,599 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AG405. Yeah. Next sari, almost similar to my combination. Yeah, baby pink with beautiful royal blue combination. All over jal with peacocks, floral jal with peacocks. Contrast border with cross kadi peacocks. And this is the pallu, cross checks with diamonds and dual peacock border. Blouse, contrast to plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 19,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AG91. Next sari. Half white, cream color, beautiful floral vines, cross checks, and lovely elephants and peacocks in it. Border cross kadi and leaves. Pallu cross checks with floral buttas. Blouse self plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 17,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AF296. Next sari. Lovely peachish orange with beautiful royal blue combination. Floral jal. All over body. Beautiful cross kadi with embossed floral vines. Diamond brocade. Contrast pallu with rich kadi and cross embossed leaf lines. Very pretty peacocks with leaves. Contrast pallu. Blouse. Contrast with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 21,599. Take a screenshot along with the code U510. Sari overall look okkari chuseddam. Let's see this sari overall look once. Next sari. Beautiful yellow. All over small floral buttas and lovely peacock motifs. Border, cross checks with diamond buttas, peacocks and florals. Pallu, complete diamond brocade. Blouse self plain with border, or else you can go for orange color edge contrast blouse. Even orange looks amazing on this sari. Pricing and details: 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AH450. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా పీచిష్ ఆరెంజ్ with royal blue combination. Let's have a quick look. Green and grey. All over ikat pattern, ikat design, shredded florals and leaves and zari floral buttas. Contrast border, grey color with peacocks and lovely curvy diamond brocade. And this is the pallu, complete toss checks with big floral motifs. Contrast pallu. Blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details: it's new design andi, 10,260. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ497. ఇందులో బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయండి. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ సో మస్టర్డ్ yellow with purple combination. Beautiful zari leaf buttas and shredded floral jal ikat style lo ochindi, and border is kanchi border, cross cutty and embossed birds and stems leaves. In the middle we got cross cutty with silver zari, and this is the pallu, complete cross checks with huge floral motifs along with the borders. Contrast pallu, and the blouse is contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details: 10,260. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ501. Next sari, blue and mauve shade, stripes with diamonds, lovely border, light brown with cross cutty. Pallu, rich cutty pallu, cross. ఇది కూడా బ్రౌన్ అండి, లైట్ బ్రౌన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్, కాంట్రాస్ట్ లైట్ బ్రౌన్ బ్లౌజ్ విత్ బార్డర్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్: 7,120. Take a screenshot along with the code AH216. And 16th నుంచి 18th వరకు వెంకటగిరి అండ్ గద్వాల్ sarees పైన బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆఫర్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ అండి. Just do log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for everyday exciting offers. Next saree, lovely pink and lilac shade, plain saree with gorgeous border, beautiful florals and cross cutty contrast border, and this is the pallu, contrast with rich kadi and huge motifs. Blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details: 6,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ442. And next beautiful sari. These are budget friendly saris, and anyhow Varalakshmi Vratam is coming on further, so you can go for this such kind of pretty saris and lovely color combination. And ikat lo kuda new shades chala baagunnai. Yellow color, beautiful yellow sari with copper and silver zari florals, very cute little floral buttas, and border is with cross cardigan lovely peacocks. And this is the pallu with the diamond brocade and huge pasleys. Everything is in copper zari, and blouse is contrast with border. Beautiful sari. Pricing and details: it's 8,720. Take a screenshot along with the code AI 554. Next sari. Wow. Lovely shade with magenta pink with blue combination. All over ikat cross checks, ikat weave, as well as zari floral buttas. And this is the border, diamond brocade, as well as cross kaddi, trees and peacocks. Pallu contrast with cross checks and diamonds along with the huge floral motifs. Beautiful blouse contrast to plain with border. Sari pricing and details: it's only 10,260. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ499. These are fusion saris, I can say, because we are getting both ikat design and kanchi. So different, very lovely saris, very lightweight and smooth. Sari. Next sari. Pretty peach. Beautiful square blocks with cross cardigan florals in it, and lovely border with cross cardigan floral vines. Very pretty pallu with cross checks, dollar buttas and florals in it. And the blouse, self plain with border. You can go for silver or golden color blouse, or else like this customized blouse. And for customized blouses, contact our brand, R for Rupamani, and the brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding lehengas, dupattas or designer blouses, just ping us on 733-733-7000. And this beautiful sari, pricing and details, it's 15,199. Take a screenshot along with the code AF289. Next beautiful sari, lovely lime yellow, complete a leaf jal, beautiful border with peacocks and elephants. Everything is in copper zari, and this is the pallu with stripes, paisleys and florals, beautiful peacocks. Blouse, wow, it's a contrast blouse, different Gandhi blouse, plain andi. Sari pricing and details, it's 8,320. Yeah. Next, I'm going to show you some different sari. It's a twill pattu. Beautiful twill all over Venus. Very pretty. Lovely kaddi border, rich kaddi border. It's twill pattu, very lightweight and ultra smooth sari. And this is the pallu. Wow. Look at the pallu, how gorgeous it is. It's completely weave. It's looking like a lovely painting of beautiful woman. Everything is in digital weave. Beautiful kada. And the blouse, self plain andi with border. Sari pricing and details, it's 20,799. Take a screenshot along with the code Z266. Next sari, lovely blue with zari lines. Beautiful elephants with umbrellas and floral vines with peacocks and paisleys. Yeah, complete pasleys and the peacocks in leaf. This is the pallu, complete leaf brocade pallu, copper zarito, and the blouse, self plain with border. $7,599 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AH561. Next sari, lovely green color, zari lines with both copper and silver zari, and this is the pallu, contrast pink color, all over florals and pasleys border, blouse, contrast plain. Sari pricing and details, it's 11,199. Take a screenshot along with the code AH397. Next sari, beautiful maroonish red, complete the florals with peacocks, border cross cutty with calcium and florals here down, pallu cross checks with floral buttas, and the blouse self plain with border. Sari pricing and details, it's 14,399. Take a screenshot. 14,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AI560. Yes. 17,999. Offer price 14,399. Next sari, green and navy blue, complete jal, all over jal weave with peacocks and lovely contrast border. It's a brinjal shade and stripes and peacocks cross cutty, and this is the pallu, very pretty rich cutty with embossed jal with stripes, contrast pallu and contrast brocade blouse. We got a very nice, very pretty brocade blouse contrast. And sari pricing and details, it's 15,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AH768. Very beautiful kada. And indaka chuinchanu kada red color sari. Let's have a quick look. Next sari, beautiful lavender with red combination, all over cross sleeve, pasleys, cross checks with beautiful florals in it, and the border contrast with cross cutty elephants and florals, diamonds, pallu, complete cross curves with leaves, contrast pallu, beautiful contrast border, and the blouse is also contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details, it's 15,199. Take a screenshot along with the code AH232. and log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for everyday exciting offers. There is a beautiful offer going on in our website, Andi, that is www.brandmandir.com. Gadwals and Venkatagiri sarees paina beautiful offer is going on. Just log on to our website. Next saree, cream and sea green, half white, and side triangular would ochindandi complete ga with embossed paisleys. Border contrast, very big border with diamonds and cross kaddi. This is the pallu with all over diamonds, elephants, peacocks, contrast pallu. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ చూపిస్తాను మీకు, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. సారీ బ్లౌజ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ ప్లెయిన్ విత్ బార్డర్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్, it's 23,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ448. Let's see this saree overall look once. Next saree, pink color, pink and purple all over. ఇలా సైడ్ రెక్టాంగులర్ బ్లాక్స్ వచ్చాయండి, దాంట్లో ఫ్లోరల్ విత్ వైన్స్ వచ్చాయి. సారీ అంతా కూడా అలాగే వచ్చింది. వెరీ ప్రెటీ పింక్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ క్రాస్ కడ్డీ అండ్ peacocks. Pallu cross stitch with diamonds. Blouse contrast plain with border. So lovely and very rich and royal. The bridal saree, 19,199 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code K200. Send us on 733-733-7000. So, ఇందాక చూయించాను కదా half white cream with sea green combination. Let's have a quick look. Next beautiful saree, it's a green, beautiful sea green, peacocks and leaf shape, and that is highlighted with meena, border jesse diamonds, small peacocks and florals and checks. And this is the pallu, wavy lines with floral buttas, contrast pallu. Blouse contrast plain with border. And this saree lo oka speciality undandi, half and half. This is from shoulders and this is pleats. Ila vastundi, I'll show you. ఈ కలర్ అనేది ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తుందండి, ప్లీట్స్కి ఇలా వస్తుంది. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్, 11,599. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Next saree, lovely magenta Beautiful cross checks and floral buttas in it. Very pretty sari. Border cross cutty with peacocks, florals. And this is the pallu. Zigzag brocade with diamonds and lovely peacock border. Blouse. Self plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 19,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AF144. Next sari. Beautiful brown and blue shade. Superb. All over florals, floral buttas. And lovely border. Cross cutty, pastelis and florals. And this is the pallu. Contrast with floral buttas. Blouse. Contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. Yeah, it's 17,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AI556. Offer price kosam. Take a screenshot and just ping us on 733 7000. Beautiful sari. Lovely combination. Next sari. Silver color. Complete florals and vines. And this is the border. Cross cutty with florals. Pallu. Half florals and half floral brocade. Blouse self cross check self weave as well as border. Sari pricing and details. It's 19,199. Take a screenshot along with the code AF139. Next sari. And before going to the sari, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yeah. Now back to our collection. Beautiful green Kanchipattu sari. Very pretty round buttas and small florals in the middle. Cross cutty border with floral vines. Pallu. Complete cross checks with diamonds. Peacocks in oval shape buttas. Blouse self plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 19,599. Take a screenshot along with the code K545. Next sari. Tissue sari, beautiful beige and purple shade. Complete floral jal. It's a tissue sari. Border is contrast with floral vines and diamond brocade. Pallu contrast with cross leaves, cross checks and beautiful leaves in it. Blouse contrast tissue blouse with diamonds and border. Saree pricing and details. Yeah. 26,999 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code R613. Next saree. Keep on supporting Brand Mandir, keep on loving us, and I'll be bringing beautiful collections to all of you. And for more exciting and daily beautiful offers, just log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, and there is a lovely offer going on, Venkatagiri and Gadwal sarees. Log on to website. Next saree. Lovely sea green, complete floral yarn all over the body, border, florals and cross checks, and this is the pallu, complete leaf butta suchai with floral vines border, and blouse self buttas and border. Saree pricing and details. Yeah, it's 24,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ443. Yeah. Indaka chuinchanu kadandi, beige with blue color combination. Let's have a quick look. Yeah. Next saree. Beautiful pink and navy blue, peachish pink, all over diamonds, and lovely border contrast with diamond brocade and pastels vines, and this is the pallu with diamonds, blouse contrast plain with border, and self embossed vachindandi, self weave vachindi. Too good. And saree pricing and details. It's 22,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ450. And next beautiful saree. Beautiful cream with red combination. Very pretty leaf buttas all over the body. And border with temples, long and short temples, rich kadi. And we got a lovely edge contrast which is in green color. And this is the pallu, complete leaf brocade, long and short temple border. It's a contrast pallu, contrast border, and the blouse is also contrast with rich brocade along with the border. Very pretty and lovely, super good, Andy. బ్రైడ్ కి చాలా యాప్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇట్స్ 16,799 ఓన్లీ. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ AH207. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ beautiful lilac shade, complete floral jal, leaves in floral jal, border cross kadi and florals, pallu lines with round buttas and florals, blouse self plain with border. Actually self weave ochindandi, chinni chinni diamonds vachai. Saree pricing and details it's 19,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ439. Next saree wow, very pretty shade, very light mauve shade, complete floral jal with peacocks and border cross kadi rangoli design, round buttas and checks, and this is the pallu cross checks with florals, blouse self with border. Saree pricing and details 15,999. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. Next saree. Wow, lovely pink. Zari checks. Actually lines. It's looking like a checks, but it's dotted lines with silver zari. And we got a blocks and florals in it. And border, diamond brocade, peacocks, pallu, complete cross checks with florals. Blouse self plain with border. Saree pricing and details it's 18,399. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Next beautiful saree, lovely grayish bluish grey with maroon color. The actually maroon, dark maroon undandi. Complete floral vines. Border వచ్చేసి diamonds, cross kadi and leaves, contrast border, contrast pallu with stripes, different stripes అన్నమాట, diamonds, leaves, చాలా prettyగా ఉంది. And blouse is too fabulous, contrast brocade blouse with border, too good. Saree pricing and details it's 15,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AG846. Next saree cream color. Wow, all over copper zari and golden zari to florals వచ్చాయి in lines, cross kadi and peacocks in rounds border, pallu complete cross stripes, blouse self plain with border, too good. Saree pricing and details 15,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ444. Let's move to the mannequin sarees and their prices. Lovely green and peach combination. All over floral buttas and beautiful border with stripes, zari lines, leaves and diamonds. And contrast pallu with leaves and contrast blouse here. Saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot like that and send us on 733 Next sari, beautiful peach and purple, all over floral buttas and contrast border with cross kaddi paslays and pallu contrast with cross lines and beautiful brocade blouse contrast. Very rich and royal. Sari pricing and details kosam 19,999 andi. Offer price kosam just take a screenshot like this and send us on 733 Another pretty sari which is in very beautiful purple shade. Self buttas vachai as well as zari florals with peacocks. Beautiful copper zari border with half curves and peacocks in it. Lovely contrast pallu with drop shape buttas and huge motifs. Sari pricing and details just take a screenshot like this and send us on 733 and this gorgeous blouse is from our brand R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. This is with beautiful Kadana and Zardozi work. And for such kind of blouses, contact our brand R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను చూపించిన sarees, just have a quick look. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. Yeah. Hope you liked our today's stunning, super gorgeous Kanchipattu sarees. Meek nachina saree ni ventane screenshot tisi maak ping cheyandi 733 number ki, and this live video will be saved in Instagram, IGTV, Facebook
guys,
as well
so
as
today
YouTube. So you'll be having 24 hours time for this viewers prices. And వెంటనే స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option, and there is a lovely and wonderful offer going on in our website on Gadwals and Venkatagiri sarees. And just log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. ఇవే కాదండి, you'll be having daily exciting deals. And రేపటి live లో మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాను. Until then, bye bye, take care, love you all, stay safe, stay healthy.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.